Team 123 International presents Royal Q Compensation Plan for rank V1. As an affiliate and team builder, you receive a referral fee and team building bonus from Royal Q, which we call network income. The network income consists of two components: activation bonus, which we call activation gain, and trade profit, which we call direct quantification. Now, let's look at how the activation benefits are distributed. Of the 100 USDT that Royal Q receives, someone activates the robot. Royal Q keeps 30 USDT and distributes 70 USDT back to the network, which is us. As a V1, when you refer someone who activates the robot, you will be paid an activation gain. Your rank entitlement as a V1 is 30 USDT. This simply means that every time you directly refer someone to activate the robot, you will be paid 30 USDT. Direct quantification. We will also receive a percentage of trade profits, which is ongoing, as in when the team member you referred has trade profit. Please note, we do not receive anything from the capital. We only receive from the trade profit. Whenever a trade is closed, which means there is a profit, the robot is entitled to 20% of the trade profit upon successfully closing a profitable trade. When that profit comes to the Royal Q then converts the trade profits received to 100%. Royal Q keeps 30% and distributes 70% to the network, which is us. Of this 70%, while you are V1, your rank entitlement is 20%. This is how the trade profit is calculated and distributed. Please note, we do not receive anything from the capital. We only receive from the trade profit. This is how the compensation plan is paid out for V1.